In the heart of a small town, nestled between rolling hills and shimmering streams, the future breathed quietly, yet hope remained alive. The townsfolk moved like shadows, blending with soft sunlight streaming through broken windows. Remnants of a world scarred by war, but yearning for peace. Children's laughter, a fragile melody, wove through empty streets. A stark contrast to the silence that once roared with battle cries. Amid this fragile calm, Elena, a young adventurer with determined eyes, walked past the ruins, each step echoing the silent promise. No war again. Elena's journey led her to an ancient map, cleverly hidden beneath the collapsed roof of the old library. The map, fragile as dried leaves, charted paths beyond the town. Paths of survival and hope. Her heart raced with both fear and courage. The world outside was unknown yet beckoning. She clutched the paper tightly, feeling as if the very future was inked upon its brittle surface. Searching for signs of other survivors, she imagined them like stars scattered across a dark sky. Each light a story waiting to be told, a chance to prevent war's bitter return. The town's outskirts whispered secrets of past battles. Charred trees stood like silent sentinels guarding memories. Elena navigated carefully, every sound amplified in the eerie silence. Suddenly, a soft rustle broke the stillness. A stray dog appeared, its ribs visible, eyes deep pools of longing. Elena knelt, offering a gentle hand. Instinctively, the animal responded with a tentative nuzzle. In that instant, a fragile bond formed between two survivors of chaos. Their shared solitude became a silent vow that life, no matter how fragile, would find a way to endure without the shadow of war hanging over them. As days passed, Elena and the dog, whom she named Sol, explored beyond the familiar boundaries. Together they uncovered signs of life, a small garden flourishing amidst ruins, a radio faintly buzzing with distant voices. Each discovery fueled a fierce hope that stitched the shattered pieces of humanity back together. Yet danger lingered like an uninvited shadow. Remnants of war's darkness dared to creep closer. Elena's resolve hardened like tempered steel, her spirit a beacon in a world that struggled to rise from ashes. Survival was no longer just endurance. It was a rebellion against despair. Under a sky painted with stars, Elena sat on the hill overlooking the town, Sol resting beside her. The future remained uncertain, an unfinished story written in whispered winds. Her eyes scanned the horizon, searching for signs that peace would truly hold. No war again, a dream that felt both distant and near. In her heart, a fierce ember of hope burned, fragile yet unyielding, reminding her that survival was more than just living. It was believing in a world rebuilt from compassion and courage. The journey was far from over, but she was ready to face whatever came next.